In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an overpayment in Xero. Overpayments happen. Maybe you sent a supplier a little more than the bill total, or a duplicate payment slipped through. Recording it correctly ensures your bank reconciliation ties out and the extra amount is available to apply later. Let's walk through it from the Xero dashboard. Start by opening Xero and heading to the main dashboard. From the top navigation, open the accounting menu, then choose Bank Accounts. This is where all your connected accounts live. Select the business bank account where the overpayment actually occurred, so you're working in the right place. Inside that bank account, open Manage Account and choose Reconcile Account. This takes you to the bank reconciliation screen, where Xero shows statement lines from your bank feed on the left and potential matches on the right. Find the bank statement line that represents the overpayment. If you have a lot of transactions, use the date, amount, and payee details to identify it quickly. Double-check the amount because with overpayments, you'll often see a figure that's higher than the related bill. When you've located it, click Match to start telling Xero what to do with this line. Because there isn't an existing bill or spend transaction that equals this exact amount, you'll create one from here. Click New Transaction, then choose Spend Money. We're using Spend Money because this is money going out of your bank account to a supplier. Next, select Direct Payment. This tells Xero you're recording a payment straight from the bank feed, not against a pre-entered bill. Now choose Overpayment as the transaction type. This is the crucial part. Selecting Overpayment ensures Xero treats the extra amount as a credit on the supplier's account rather than forcing it against a specific bill. Fill in the key details. Select the correct contact. Confirm the date matches the bank statement line and add a clear description or reference so you and your team can identify it later. If you use tracking categories or need a specific tax treatment, set those here as well. It's a good idea to add a note like supplier overpayment so it's easy to spot in reports. When everything looks right, save. Xero will create the overpayment and link it to that bank line, completing the match for you. The overpaid balance now sits on the supplier's account as a credit, ready to be applied to a future bill or handled according to your internal policy. That's it. Your overpayment is recorded cleanly, your reconciliation stays accurate, and the credit is easy to use later. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling in Xero.